Jaywick Sands does have toilets. They are opposite Silver Dollar, the Jaywick Sands Land Community Trust. They are opposite there, opposite the post office, opposite the chemist, next door to Sweet Tina's. We have toilets. We do have toilets. Take a look. Toilets. So people keep saying that Jaywick doesn't have any toilets. There are toilets in this part of Jaywick. It takes 5 minutes to get from up there to here. There are toilets in Jaywick. Please don't let people tell you there are no toilets in Jaywick. There are these toilets in Jaywick, and people can come here and go to the toilet. There's no need for people to go to the toilet in people's gardens. There's no need for people to do it in people's alleyways. People can come to real toilets and go to the toilet. Jaywick Sands does have toilets. So how about more people come here and use Jaywick Sands toilets? These have been here since the very beginning of time. Jaywick Sands toilets. Would you like me to show them to you? Yes? I will show you them right now. So you walk down this little path like this, and they're locked at a certain time, but they're open between 8 AM and 8 PM. So here we have the ladies' toilets. This is the ladies' toilets. And we have disabled toilets here. And here we have the gentlemen toilets. These toilets have been here since Jaywick began. These toilets have been here nearly 90 years. They're good toilets. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. There is toilets in Jaywick. Please, please, please use them. Stop pooing in people's gardens and weeing in people's alleyways. You're giving Jaywick a bad name. How about use the toilets that are provided? Stop being so lazy. And Jaywick Sands does have toilets. So please, everybody, can you use Jaywick Sands toilets? Shine on, everybody. Life is something that happens while we're busy finding Jaywick Sands toilet, and we can find them because I've just made a video, and this is where the toilets are. Diddle-a-doo, opposite the Jaywick Sands Community Land Trust, opposite the post office, the chemist, next door to Sweet Tina's. Yes, Jaywick Sands does have toilets, and that is where they are.